All right, everyone. Here we are looking at ticker symbol XSPA. Everyone had so much hype to talk about this stock, and I wanted to see what was so good about it and where it stands. Um, this rally was phenomenal for the bulls, and it reached all the way up to $3 in a matter of days, from cents to dollars, $3. And the bulls were in full health here, full control. And then you can slightly see the sell off as the day progressed on Friday. People taking profits, fear, didn't want to hold after the weekend. And here we are on Monday. Some sell off. Bulls fighting the Bears. The Bears are trying to tear them down, and the Bulls are regaining strength here. And if they come in large numbers, they can break through this next resistance point. But I do want us to pay close attention to this 50-day moving average. Incredible volume and wow, just the way this stock rose. But before I go on, I do want to say that in no way, shape, or form any emotions are involved in these chart analysis. And as well, I do not get paid for these chart analysis. I just simply look at the charts, let the charts speak to us, and go off of what the charts are saying. So let's get started here. I want to get this right here. This is the resistance level, but fairly close. Yeah, 230. That's exactly where the resistance level is. So this closed at aftermarket hours at 221. I know it says here 224. This is the 4 p.m. market close, and this is the last price of the day at 8 p.m. after market hours. So the most important thing here is looking at the 50-day moving average. It is above the closing price. Usually, the moving average is a way to analyze if it is going to be closer to a bearish market or a bullish market um, for the stock. Right now, this stock is fairly close, but it did try 2 times to break through, and it tried another time as well to break through this 50-day moving average as well as the resistance point, and it got rejected, and it was rejected. It tried again, and it rose by like literally missed it by like a cent, and it got rejected again. Now, that's not to say that the Bulls aren't in full control here, because the Bulls are fighting. You can see the Bears trying to tear them down, and the Bulls are fighting. But some key numbers to pay close attention to is this support level here, 202 for support level. If you can write that down, very important number, because right now there is no 50-day moving average below this. So this is your true support, and guiding off of this, it can tell you a lot about the upcoming moves of the stock. And I'm not saying that because it's down here, it's bound to just go straight down, and because it reaches here, it's going to stay here and destroy this whole chart. I'm not stating that, but the support level is very important to keep in mind and keep a very close eye on. Obviously, we know this closed out at 221, as I stated earlier. Our 50-day simple moving average is 228. And that is something that will move with the stock accordingly. And another important point, which was rejected right here, as we could see, is the resistance level, which is 230. I'm not saying that if this stock was to break through the resistance level in this area, it will stay up there and it's going to continue to move up. I do guarantee that this moving average will move up with it if it starts to, and it should stay ahead of it at that point, and the moving average should stay below, and this would be the new support level, 230. So you definitely want to keep a close eye on that, as well as keeping in mind your support level right where you're at now when this starts tomorrow, Tuesday, and the stock market opens in pre-market and even during throughout the day. 202, the closer it gets to that, this is a support level that could be broken and the bears can gain full control. As long as this stock stays in this full area here, the bulls are in full control. Even though it stays below the moving average, the bulls are in full control, and all they need to do is gear up and get hefty and tear through this resistance level here of 230, and there could be a new resistance level formed, and that could be the new support level. It could be anywhere up this way. I would say probably the next resistance level would be about 237, at the most 240, and this would be the new support level. But we would definitely have to see how this stock goes. The bulls are gaining control on the bears, but the bears are definitely taking control of this one right now, and it's going to be very interesting to see tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching.